Alam nyo ba mga boss, some of my deepest business realizations happen in moments like this. Not inside a boardroom, not during a sales meeting, not while solving a problem, but on a quiet morning. Coffee in front of me, simple food on the table, walang pressure, walang ingay, just space to think. Sa computer business kasi mga boss, minsan sobrang busy natin sa trabaho pero nakakalimutan nating magtanong, tama pa ba ang direction ko? May proseso ba kami or puro deadlines na lang? May peace of mind ba ako or puro pressure na lang? May purpose pa ba itong ginagawa ko or puro survival mode na lang? Because being busy does not always mean you are moving forward. Sometimes, busy ka lang, kakapatay ng apoy. Busy ka, kaka-reply. Busy ka, kaka-solve. Busy ka, kakabuhat ng lahat. Pero kapag huminto ka saglit, boss, doon mo makikita ang totoo. Hindi lahat ng urgent ay importante. Hindi lahat ng opportunity ay dapat mong kunin. Hindi lahat ng problema ay ikaw dapat ang sasagot. I always believe that business owner needs quiet moments. Not because he is weak, but because he needs to hear his direction clearly. Kasi kapag clear ka sa direction mo, mas malayo ang mararating ng negosyo mo. And sometimes, one quiet morning can give you a better decision than one whole day of rushing.